Hello everybody, in this video we will understand in detail what do you mean by double entry system. Double entry means every accounting transaction affects at least two accounts. One account is debited, another account is credited. This ensures books remains accurate, accounting equations stay balanced, errors are easy to detect. Foundation: assets is equal to liability plus equity. Now we will understand practical explanation of this. In real companies, no transaction happen in isolation. If money comes from somewhere, it must go somewhere. Company buys a laptop using a bank account. What will be the effect of this? Effect will be laptop increases, that is asset increases, bank balance, that is asset decreases. As we see earlier, there will be always two accounting entries or two accounting effect of single transactions. So, two accounts are affected. This is called double entry system. For example, if company purchase a machinery for cash, what will be the accounting entry? Double entry. Machinery account debited for 1 lakh. Cash account will be credited for 1 lakh. Means machinery will be debited, cash will be credited. Always for single transaction there will be two accounting effect. Now we will see core rule of double entry. One transaction will be debited and one will be credited. So one receiver increase in asset or expense, giver increase in liability, income or capital. So therefore total debit will be always equal to total credit. Hello everybody. In this video, we will understand golden rules of accounting. In accounts, always there are three accounts. One is personal account, one is real account, one is nominal account. Under the personal account, debit is always receiver and credit is always giver. Let's understand this through an example. For example, a supplier. So, which two accounts will be debited and credited? Supplier account will be debited and bank account will be credited by a 50,000 rupees. Now we will understand real account. Under real account, debit is what is coming and credit is what goes out. Purchase machinery for cash. Under this, what comes in? Machinery comes in, and what goes out? Cash goes out. So what real account says? Debit, what comes in? Machinery comes in, so machinery is debited, and what goes out? Cash goes out, so cash is credited. Now we will see nominal account. Nominal account says debit always expense and losses, credit always income and gains. So salary paid. So what is salary for the businessman? Salary for the businessman is always expense and losses. Expense. So salary expense is debited and bank account is credited. So in this way we have understood the golden rules of accounts: personal account, real account and nominal account. Now we will understand with journal entries real examples. Owner invests 10 lakh rupees. So what comes in? Cash comes in. How? Through the bank. And what? Where it goes? It goes to the capital account. So bank account debited to the capital account. Purchase of furniture 1 lakh by bank. Furniture account debit to bank account. As we see, furniture comes in, bank balance goes out. Third example, salary. Salary is debited and bank account credited. As we know, salary is expense and cash is decreases. How double entry maintain balance? Double entry maintain balance through equation, that is asset is equal to liability plus equity. Some account is debited, some account is credited. So some account will be goes up, some account will be goes down. Or through this equation it will be get balance. What is the flow of accounting cycle? First, bookkeeper will do the accounting entry. After that, journal entry will be passed. After that, ledger posting will be done. Trial balance will be recorded. After that, profit and loss account will be prepared along with balance sheet. So this is the flow of accounting cycle. So what is the advantage of double entry system? The major advantage is accuracy. What kind of accuracy? Debit is always equal to credit. So each transaction will have two effects. One is debit effect, another is credit effect. It will be easy to detect a fraud through the double entry system. Proper reporting will be done. It will help audit support and decision making. What kind of common mistake student makes? Mistake number 1. Some student always ask me, sir, whether debit means bad. Debit is a just accounting side. It is not a good or bad. And credit means good. No, credit is not always positive. Every debit increases account. Depends on the account types. Which account type? 3 account types. Personal, real, nominal. Trial balance matching means no error. It is not like that. Some errors still be possible which cannot get traceable so easily. ERP software understanding. In SAP Oracle Tally software, every voucher automatically create debit and credit posting. In order to balance, debit is equal to credit. System will not allow unbalanced entries. For example, in SAP, vendor invoice, expense debit, vendor credit. In this way, we understood the double entry system. Thank you.